I'm Chelsea with Briskeet Corporation, and today I'm going to introduce you to a brand new product, the WinterShield Freeze Protection Heated Pocket. The WinterShield is designed for a customer to keep transmitters and pumps that are exposed to cold weather from freezing. But the product is versatile enough that it can also fit a wide variety of standard size pumps, valves, actuators, manifolds, and many other system and pipe components that are outside and exposed to cold weather. Briskeet's WinterShield is made of our wet area cloth. It provides heat, insulation, and connection to power all in one product and does not require a temperature controller for use. The hook and lace closure allows the product to expand or tighten around the components being heated, which allows it to fit a wide variety of applications. Briskeet's WinterShield is a cost-efficient product and is very easy to install and remove. The Briskeet WinterShield is available in 120 volt or 240 volt and has a built-in thermostat that operates at 45 degrees Fahrenheit. This product is safe to touch even when in operation, so if a maintenance or anybody working on the pipe component system needs to access, they can easily remove it while it's plugged in, put it back on. Safe to touch, there's no fear of burning or getting hurt or anything like that.